This place here is really amazing, so peaceful. We're off the boardwalk and we're going to see if there's any water in this waterfall. It's pretty dry down here in fall time in Georgia. Unfortunately, the water is too dry. It's still really dramatic. It looks like a Travertine formation, which you would see in caves, which this area is littered with them, giant caves. We're also going to go see some tunnels that was built for incline railroad that's in the same parking area. So we're gonna finish up here and then take you guys there, but we're gonna enjoy this for a little bit.
I guess this is dolomite making all these
They're like little steps though. So we are walking on the Estelle mine trail, and this is the railroad bed. It's an incline railroad, and there is a bunch of tunnels up here. They were getting ore out of the mountain here. So these are mines.
Yeah, mine tunnels.
Looks like these two tunnels we went through is the mining operation. Because I do not think a train would try to go through there. So it looks like they were mining it. And you see this out west, where they'll take a vein and then go down and they'll follow the vein. And I guess this is why they left a little dirt up here on both these little tunnels. So right here, they would have just been following that vein and going up through the mountain there. And then we turned off of the actual incline railroad. So then the train would go right up to where the mines were. They made it back to the trail, and then the other tunnel should be straight ahead of us somewhere. Ooh, creepy in this one. It's long and creepy.
Definitely.
Oh, wow. It's really fun. That was a pretty long little tunnel, and we made it back to the trail, and now the next tunnel is over here. This is the second Bible my wife found. So we're trying to figure out why there is 2 Bibles in here. And there's verses on there for people to read. Of course, John 3:16. I don't know about the horseshoe.
I don't know. In case you don't believe in God and need luck instead.
Yeah, we were discussing where people disappear. There's a lot of people go missing in certain parts of the country, and they're very, they don't really know, like they're unexplained. It's just something so strange.
4 miles to get to the end of the last mine, and then we may or may not see tunnels on the way back. So there was 4 mines that we walked through.
Yeah, you can choose up over the mountain, through the mountain. Up over the mountain, through the mountain. We're going through the mountain. I love shortcuts. I wish every thing that you had to climb a mountain, you could just go underneath of it. This is great. Get a little air conditioning.